Good morning, everyone. I'm Madhushri. I'm from Vijayawada. Uh, if someone would like to take the initiative to start the discussion, please continue. Then I will continue. Today's our group discussion topic is Indian elections. It is the most concerning topic of India. First, we conduct elections because for every years because it is a powerful tool of democracy and it encourages citizens to elect their representatives. This right will make the people to make important decisions in India. Please continue.
Good morning, everyone. I'm Navin from Hyderabad. Today, group discussion topic is Indian elections. Uh, Indian elections is the biggest democracy elections in India. In India, conducting elections in every 5 years. There are two types of governments in India. One is central government and one is state government. In central government, there are 545 MP seats in parliament. 543 is every 5 years conducting, but 2 members was elected by the president. In coming to the state government, there are 250 seats are available, but 245 is available now. 233 MLA seats are elected by the peoples. 12 members are elected by the singers, popular actors, or which field they highlight in every aspect. They are selected by the 12 members. That's it. If everyone can.
Good morning, friends. I'm B. Madhuri. I'm from Karnataka. Today's group discussion topic is Indian elections. It's really needed to be in this discussion, and I'm very glad to have these points. So, I'm discussing about there are totally we have 5 types of elections in our India. So, parliament elections, Lok Sabha elections, state assembly by elections, and Rajya Sabha elections. So, these are very important elections. So, it is held for every 5 years. So there is each and every member of the India, they have a right to choose their leader with their own opinion without listening to any other words like he is the best, she is the best. So that's all. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. I'm Kavyasri. I'm from Kamam. Today's group discussion topic is Indian elections. And firstly, I'll start with the pre-independence era, which is the first election, general elections, which started in 1950s. And that marks as a world's largest democratic exercise in those times. And before this formation of election commission in 1950s to conduct a free and a fair manner. Election should be conducted in free and fair manner. And after the election commission formed, and first ruling party, which is Indian National Congress, and after multiple winning government, and those regional parties like BJP and other got emerged and gained prominence and challenging the dominance of National Congress, and later the present ruling party BJP was formed. That's it.
This is Pranita. I am from Warangal. Today group discussion topic is Indian elections. I am glad to tell you about electoral procedure. In electoral procedure, first voter registration. Citizens who are over 18 years eligible to vote, they need to registration their vote in Indian Election Commission. The providing necessary identification, and also then the who are participating leaders nominating as independent or political parties, and also next they should start procedure with campaigning, that door-to-door canvassing or advertisement and give support to voters. Next procedure is polling. After they should start campaigning. Then the next is polling. On the day of polling, electors would cast their vote in ballots in polling stations. Next, vote counting and also declaration of results. Thank you.
Good morning to everyone. My name is Mukamal Bharat. I am from Kodad. Actually, as Navin said, there is 2 parliament houses. One is Lok Sabha and one is Rajya Sabha. And which government they have more seats in Lok Sabha, they form the government. And in Lok Sabha there are 552 seats, and 530 are from the state, and 220 seats are union territory, and two seats are appointed by the president. As Navin said, Rajya Sabha also like that, only 252 seats, and 230 are from the normal state government. 12 celebrities have participated, and thank you for giving.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Samuel Krishna. I'm from Hyderabad. Yeah, nowadays they are telling that the vote percentage is decreasing day by day. I mean, by elections. Okay. In that they are telling in urban areas are more or less. I mean, are getting less percentage in the voting stage. Why? Because there are some of telling the youth is not showing interest to vote. So some, yeah, I think they should be vote. They should do vote. Yeah.
Yes, I agree with you, Murli. And nowadays scenario, we were seeing the nowadays mainly who are studying in Hyderabad, the youth are working in Hyderabad. They're not able to show interest. Why? Because the ticket rates are too high. The reservation cost is too high. So that they're not utilizing their fundamental right to vote to elect the person, so that everyone choose wisely and interest pay the attention on that vote. So I think everyone should vote. And also Indian elections are widely upgrading the technology, not more old technology, old ballot. No one will not confuse before how voting system will be in a paper. We should put the stamp in a paper, and many of their confusing and folding confusion is there rarely. And after the technology got upgraded, which becomes a ballot VV platforms, and such as EVMs, election voting machine. Thank you. Anyone?
I would like to add some points in this group discussion. In 1950, Jan 26 started by first elections in India after independence. There is less education persons who in that time there are less members who studied well, and what is going on in our area. Then that time voters are eligible for 20 years old, 21 years old, but now become 18 years old to eligible for voting. And it, is upgraded from ballot box. There are in that ballot box and control. In ballot box there are three types of units: ballot unit and control unit and VPAT. Ballot is nothing but in that area which person is voting for name, and control unit is nothing but the person who vote for which party, that is control unit. Last nothing but VPAT. VPAT is nothing but upgraded this times. VPAT is nothing but the person is done voting or not. That's it.
Okay, conclude for today, as this is your first practice session.
With here, and I strongly believe that every voter should vote their right to vote to their chosen candidate. Yeah, and this Indian election commission was a significant commission which plays a vital role in conducting these free fair elections, and everyone should vote, utilize their opportunity wisely. Thank you.